Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm unboxing a very special Elemis QVC Today's Special Value. As we all know, there is no better time to buy Elemis products than at a QVC Today's Special Value deal time, and this one I think is one for the ages. It is such a good deal. It's already out. If you want the details, if you want to buy it, the link is in the description box below, and I will also try and remember to put it in the pinned comment. But this deal is worth a whopping £242. However, it's being sold for just £79.95. There is 4 items in the deal. I will show you every single item, and there is 2 variations on this box. Basically, each box will be the same for the 3 items, but then there'll be a choice of moisturizers at the end. So just pick whichever you feel is best for your skin type. So without further ado, let's open up the box. So first of all, I do want to mention there is no cleanser in this box. Normally we have a cleanser and a toner in these deals, but there is no cleanser and no toner, which I actually quite like, because if you've already got a cleanser or you just want to buy a cheapish cleanser, you can, and then you can get right to all the good stuff. So yeah, if you're into your serums and your moisturizers, then this is the box for you. So first of all, I'm going to show you the face mask. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Mask. This is a hydrating face mask and it's 75 mils big. This will last you for absolutely months. I mean, if you use this like once or twice a week, you are going to literally be using this for about 6 months. There is a lot of product in here and their masks are incredible, especially if you're like me and you have dry, sensitive lizard skin, then you are absolutely going to love this. And then next up, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. This is basically an eye cream. Don't be put off by the treatment. It's not like a mask, it's literally an eye cream. It's incredible, it works super well. I've currently run out of eye cream, so I am desperately in need of some new stuff. I'm so happy about this. Again, full size, incredible. This is 15 mil, it's such a good product. It's gonna last you for ages. Amazing, iconic, such a treat. Then next up, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Super Serum Elixir. And this is a 15 ml serum. Again, absolutely incredible product from them. You're gonna love it. Your skin's gonna feel so good, so glowy, so refreshed. You may not even need foundation after you use this bundle. And then finally, the creme de la creme of the entire set is, of course, the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Now, there is 2 to choose from. I have the Marine Cream with an SPF 30. However, you can also get the Ultra Rich Cream. Now, I love the Ultra Rich Cream. However, we are moving into summer, so I don't need such an intense, rich cream. However, I do want an extra boost of SPF, so that is why I have the SPF version. But you know, if you're wanting something a bit richer, or if you're wanting to use it at night, you could go for the ultra rich version. But if you're like me and it's summer and you just want to know that your skin is protected from the sun no matter what, then I would highly recommend this one. It's one of my favorite SPF face creams because it sits really well under makeup. It's really comfortable. It's not like heavy or cloggy or anything. It's just really lovely. You wouldn't really know it was in there. It's just a great face cream, which happens to be boosted with some SPF. Hang on a second, I need some coffee. And as you know, I'm a pale, dry skin girl, so this is incredible for me. I absolutely love it. I'm thrilled with the mask, I'm thrilled with the eye cream, I'm thrilled with the serum. Everything here is like what I want from Elemis. There is like nothing that I won't use. There is nothing that I won't adore. There is nothing that isn't quite suited to my skin. It's all absolutely perfect. And they are all products that I would and have bought as individual products. And literally one of these is worth nearly the entire price of the box. It's crazy. So as I mentioned, you get £242 of products for £79.95. It's only available until Sunday night. So if you want it, buy it very soon because it's absolutely incredible and it's only while stocks last. And these do sometimes sell out really quick, like before the end of the deal. So if you want it, hurry up and get it. And the link is in the description, and that is everything. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. And if you want these, you know where to find them. Thank you. Bye.